Our goal today is going to be counting by tens and then counting by ones in order to find the amount, find out how many there are. So we're going to start with number 3. Our strategy that we did within class today was to make a dot by each group of tens and then mark out the ones to find out the total. So we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So then we're going to count from 70. 71, 72. 72 is a 7 and a 2, so we're going to circle that. Go to number 4. Same way, same strategy. 10, 20, 30. Then we're going to count from 30. 31, 32, 33. 33 is a 3 and a 3. Go ahead and circle that. Number 5, the blue cubes. We'll count again. 10, 20, 30, 40. Then we're going to count by 1, so 41, 42. Find 42. It's a 4 and a 2. Go to number 6 with the orange cubes. Same strategy. Count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So we're at 30. Now we're going to count by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34. Circle that. 3 and a 4. Great work. Now you're going to go to the last page, which is independent practice. Again, you're going to be completing both pages today, but for independent practice, you're just going to be doing numbers 7, 8, and 9. So number 10, I do not want you to do. Same thing, same strategy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Circle 68 is 6 and an 8. Okay, number 8, same thing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And you're going to count by ones. 51. Circle 5 and a 1. And then the last one, number 9. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46 is a 4 and a 6. I want you to complete both pages, hit save, and when you are done, hit submit.